Hi, this is Varun from the FSHR team. I've been working on the topic of employee experience for quite some time now, and I would say employee experience is the summation of the perceptions an employee builds over a period of time in the organization. So, in the entire tenure in an organization, an employee goes through what I will say multiple perception journeys. So, hiring journey, onboarding journey, allocation journey, journey with the team, journey with the client, his or her own career journey, and maybe even an exit journey. All these journeys constitute of what I will say as perception points. These are the moment of truth when an employee forms an opinion about the organization, right? And these opinions and perceptions is what together we called as the employee experience. Now, how can we elevate this employee experience? Before elevating employee experience, I would say we first need to measure it. And that is when me and my manager were discussing, and we came up to a framework which we call as the perception map, where we are saying that every perception point can be categorized in one of the three categories: people, process, and technology. If the perception point is being created because of the person, because of the people an employee interacts with, it can be categorized in people. If it is because of the processes an employee deals on a day-to-day basis, it can be categorized under process. And similarly, if it is because of the technology which is there to enable the employee, it can be categorized under technology. Now, every perception point will not have the same impact on employee. So we are saying that from an impact standpoint, we can categorize it into three: high impact, medium impact, and low impact. So for example, we pick up one perception journey, say hiring. So when a candidate comes to Wipro website, that becomes the first touch point the company is able to give, right? So if the website is not working good, definitely it's not a good experience and it goes a long way, right? So we have categorized applying in the high impact zone, and because it can be put under technology. Similarly, if the TA interaction a person is having, this is a pretty standard way of interacting, and I would categorize it under low impact and people category. While when we say the interview, this is a people and a high impact category, right? So now comes the next question on how we are measuring employee experience, right? So I would suggest that each perception point gets followed by a dipstick question. Say for example, as soon as the employee completes the registration process, he or she will get a 5-star rating scale on how was your experience in applying to Wipro. Now, whenever an employee gives a low rating to this particular experience or the perception point, we will give them a text box to call out what went wrong or how do they think that the experience can be improved. Now, this will become the moment of truth for the process owner. And similarly, when we will have such feedbacks across all the perception points in the perception journey, this can go as a cumulative feedback to the process owner month on month to understand where employee experience is not going good and how it can be improved, right? So going forward, once we have this, I would say that for every perception journey, the average of the scores across all the perception points can be culminated, and which we can call as the experience score of that particular journey. And when we will have multiple such journeys created where every journey is having an experience score, these scores can be together combined and called as the employee experience index for the organization, which I will say can be monitored. Now imagine a dashboard which can be viewed by the leadership, which will have the perception journeys across the organization and experience score on each of them, and also the trend how it moves on a month to month basis. A culmination of all these experience scores across the journeys can be culminated into an employee experience index, which can be monitored month on month. Thank you.